I am building an Adobe Audition course for beginners. I am taking pre-order, and with pre-order, you can avail one-to-one training through Zoom call. You will have 2 Zoom meetings with me at your preferred time. The initial offer was sent to my mailing list, and they got the lowest price of $19. If you want an offer like that in the future, please join my mailing list. Link in the description. The price will increase as I get more bookings. The course will be released on September 19th. The first release will have best recording practices in Adobe Audition and how to get ACX quality sound from that recording. You do not need to buy Adobe Audition for the one-to-one training. Adobe Audition has a 7-day free trial, and that will be enough. After you purchase the course, you will have the training within 1 week. If you want to be a professional voice artist or audiobook narrator, you have to learn Adobe Audition sooner or later. As you already know Audacity, Adobe Audition won't feel very difficult. You can learn the necessary basics to produce ACX quality voice with just a few hours of practice. So take the pre-order to get this amazing one-to-one training opportunity.